Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this chocolate celebration cake. Let's begin. So into your mixing bowl of choice, place your butter and your sugar and mix the two on a medium-high speed until they are well combined. So once they are combined, give your bowl a good scraping down. You can then start to add your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and once all of your eggs have been incorporated, you can add in your vanilla. Don't forget to give your bowl another scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Next you'll want to start to add your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first, just to remove any lumps that may be in the mixture. You can then incorporate this on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium or until it's fully incorporated. Then you may want to add some water or some milk just to help loosen the mixture and get the right consistency. And once you've achieved that, you can give your bowl a good scraping down, again just to incorporate any bits of the dry ingredients that haven't been fully worked in. Next you'll want to divide your cake batter between your tins. You can eyeball this if you want to, but I always weigh mine out so they're more accurate, but that's completely up to you. Level them off as best as you possibly can. Leveling your cake mixture in the tins just helps to achieve a more consistent bake. You don't have to do it, but I feel it's more of a necessity than anything. So while your cakes are baking in the oven, you can start to make your buttercream. Get yourself a medium saucepan and place in your water and your sugar and give the two a mix until they are fully incorporated. So once they are fully incorporated, set aside until you need them later on. In your mixing bowl of choice, you'll want to place your egg yolks and your whole egg and whisk them together until they are very well combined, and you'll want to keep mixing until the volume has quadrupled almost. That's the right amount, and you will notice that the mixture isn't a bright orange anymore, it's a much paler colour. And once you've achieved that and the sugar mixture has come to 121 degrees, you can slowly, steadily pour the sugar water mixture into the eggs, and this helps to cook the eggs. And you'll want to continue whisking the eggs on a high speed to help cool it down. And once it's become cool enough, you can start to add your butter a little at a time. When you know it's ready, you can then stop mixing and add in your cocoa powder. You can also use melted chocolate, but I found melted chocolate didn't work very well in this recipe and that cocoa powder worked the best. So don't forget to pass the cocoa powder through a sieve first, as cocoa powder naturally has quite a few lumps, and then just give it all a good mix until the cocoa powder is fully mixed in. So once your cakes are cooled and you've levelled them off and simple syrup them, you can then start to assemble your cake by putting the cake and then buttercream, and giving the cake a crumb coat. This is just to hold all of those crumbs in place so your final coat of icing is neat. Put it in the fridge to firm up for around 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes you can then put on the second coat or the final coat of icing. I pipe mine on as this gives you a more consistent smoothing process, but feel free to do it however works for you best. So once you've got your cake smoothed, you can do your chocolate drip. I will leave all that information in the description down below. And then you can pipe some rosettes on top of the cake. Again, you can do whichever suits you, and top each of them with chocolate. I used Kinder Bueno, peanut M&Ms, cream eggs. I had a mixture to go on top and on the side. And then on the side of the cake I used a mixture of Maltesers, peanut M&Ms and whatever else, just to add a bit of colour and add more chocolate, because who doesn't want more chocolate with a cake? So the choice of chocolate wasn't my personal preference, it was actually my friend Anna's. So if you're watching, Anna, hello. But you can fully customise the chocolates to suit you. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. I will leave all the information you need in the description box down below, so check that out. And don't forget to go and check out my Instagram, as I'll be posting on there more regular after my 1 week break. So yeah, that's it for this week. Bye guys.